All right, we're ready to learn a new trick. This trick is called the count backwards trick, not trip, but trick. Okay, so again, you're going to use a full deck of cards. And you're going to make sure that you take the jokers out. So you should have a full deck of cards with 52 cards. And of course, using beautiful cards like this with the Cougar logo on it just makes the cards even better. It probably won't work if you're using University of Washington Husky cards. Okay, I had to get that little bit in there. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna count out 9 cards. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna show the 9 cards to your audience and you're gonna ask them to pick one card. So let's say they picked this card and they're allowed to look at the card and they're going to memorize the card and then give it back to you. So for the sake of this demonstration, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at it. So in this case, it is a king. And so then they're going to hand you back the card. You're going to, in the meantime, take those 9 cards, which now you have 8 left, and you're going to put them into just one pile like this. So when they hand you back the card and ask them to hand it back to you without showing it to you, you're going to have them put it on top of the pile. So you're going to say, put it on top of this pile. So it will be on the very top of that. You're then going to take the rest of the cards and you're going to set them on top. And you're going to say, now prepare to be amazed. What you're going to do is you're going to explain that you are going to make 4 different piles. And you are going to count backwards from 10 in each pile. If at any time during your counting backwards, the number you say and the number of the card flipped over match, you're going to stop. So just pay attention, I'll show you. Here we go. So we're gonna go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it on the very last one, it matched. And so we're stopping right there. An ace is equal to a 1. And by the way, a 10 or a jack or a queen or a king in this card trick, you're going to count as a 10. So now that was our first pile. We're going to do 3 more piles. And I'm going to start again with 10. You're always counting backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That time we did not get to where any time what I said and what I sat down matched. So we're going to put a cap, we're going to call it, on that one. We have 2 more piles to do. Again, I'm going to start with 10. 10. Oh, look at on that one. Right when I said 10, a 10 was there. So we're going to stop on that one and we're going to leave where we can see that. Now we have 1 more pile to do. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That one we never had a match, so we're going to put a cap on it. So now, whatever piles have cards showing, you are then going to then add those together. So 10 plus 1 is 11. So I'm going to count out 11 cards from my pile that I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you go to count that last card, you flip it over. It should be the card that they picked at the beginning of the trick. So I'm going to show you one more time, and I'm going to show it to you again because just so you can kind of see how the piles can end up differently each time. Okay, so again, you're going to do your shuffling beforehand. You're going to have the deck with 52 cards in it. You're going to want to make sure that they see that you mix the cards up if you want to. If you're not really good at shuffling, you can even ask them to like mix up the cards. So you want to show them that the cards are all mixed up. You could also have them cut the cards. Okay, so then Then do you remember what the first step is? The first step is you're going to count out 9 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you're going to set them out to where you can't see the cards. You're going to say to them, go ahead and pick a card, any one of these cards. Take a look at it. Don't tell me what it is. And then remember, as they're doing that, you are putting your those remaining cards of the 9. So you're putting those 8 cards like this. And for now, we're going to look at it. It's a 7 of hearts. But remember, normally you wouldn't see that. And so then you're going to say, go ahead and put the card back on the pile. You're then going to place the remaining cards on top. Okay, now you're going to tell them, we're going to make 4 different piles. I'm going to count backwards from 10. If at any time what I say and what the card that shows matches, then we're going to stop that pile. 10. Oh, remember that Jack, Queen, and King are going to equal 10. So that first pile is done. Here we go. 10. Oh my goodness, it just worked out to where that one also counts. 10. That did not match. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We never had a match, so you remember we put a cap on it. And now we're going to go ahead and do the final pile. 10. Oh, that one went ahead and it was a 10 because remember Jack, Queen, and King are all worth 10. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add up the cards that are showing. So 10, 20, 30. I'm going to count out 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And remember, it's going to be that last card that you're going to count. And this is the card that we started with, the 7 of hearts. Okay? So that's the way the trick works. Again, that's called the counting backwards trick. And I hope that you have a lot of fun showing that to your friends.